If you're looking for the perfect warm winter hug in a bowl, this homemade minestrone soup is the answer. I'm gonna tell you right now, this homemade minestrone is gonna be better than anything you get out of a can. You gotta trust me on that. The process is very easy, straightforward, just like any soup. It's all about the ingredients. Let's go. Add in some olive oil. Gonna go ahead and add my garlic so that it infuses that oil as it heats up. Once that heats up, I'll add in my onion and then celery and carrot. All good soups, we know, start with this combination known as the mirepoix. This is the perfect soup to make in the new year when you've got all those resolutions to eat healthy, because it is super healthy. What makes minestrone different than other vegetable soups is that vegetable soup typically just has vegetables and broth, but minestrone is bulked up with the pasta and the beans, again making it just a really hearty meal. Now that my veggies are all softened, ready to go, I'm gonna deglaze with a little bit of red wine and then add in some stock, water, and tomato sauce. We're thinning out that tomato sauce to make it like a tomato broth. This is gonna give so much flavor to the soup. Smelling good. Now I'm going in with the beans, all that zucchini, green beans, and some spinach. All these veggies are gonna release some water as well, and so much flavor to the broth. So we're making like a veggie broth also. It smells so good already. Adding a little more flavor with some fresh oregano, fresh basil, and a little salt and pepper. So that's it. I'm just gonna let it simmer till all those veggies are nice and tender. You can use whatever small pasta you want. I'm using little baby seashells. I've cooked my pasta, so the recipe suggests that you just put a little bit of the pasta into your bowl and then ladle the soup right over it. If you're gonna serve it immediately, you can stir the pasta directly into the soup, which is what I'm gonna do. The way you finish this off is with a generous grate of Parmesan cheese, some cracked pepper. I'm also gonna add in a little fresh basil, a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Oh man, that is delicious. There's so much flavor and you just taste all that freshness from those veggies. It's like it makes you feel healthy just eating it. To round out my comfort meal,